Hey there, all right back again.
So, this video, we've got a 3D printer doing its thing. But wait, there's a catch. It isn't printing anything from plastic or cardboard. Naughty stuff.
Instead, it's grabbing a ceramic block or a cement mix, and boom!
It's creating a fully functional pot more fast. It can also create a full functioning house for you, so make sure build to your nest house in 3D.
Wow, check out what it did next. Made a ceramic pot.
Give it a follow if you haven't already.